If you are a beginner in IT, this one mistake will make programming feel impossible later, and almost every student makes it. If you are a beginner student in IT, computer science, or software development, this video can save you months of confusion. I've seen this mistake again and again in college students, self-learners, even interns. The biggest mistake beginner IT students make is this: they skip learning programming fundamentals at the beginning. Instead, they jump directly into frameworks, tools, or tutorials. Why does this happen? Well, at the beginning, programming can seem boring. When you first start learning to program, it feels like you're learning a whole new language. So, what do students do? They avoid it. They try to skip past those boring concepts and dive into the cool stuff like frameworks, libraries, or tutorials. They start focusing on getting through exams, memorizing theory, or sometimes just copying code from the internet. But then something happens. They hit a point where the pressure builds. Internships, projects, job opportunities, and suddenly the clock is ticking. Now they want to learn everything fast. Here's the problem. Without understanding the fundamentals, everything will feel harder than it should. Let's break down what the basics actually are. Variables, loops, conditions, functions, basic logic. These concepts are the building blocks of any programming language. If you're not comfortable with them, things like React, Spring Boot, or any other framework will just feel like magic. And not in a good way. You won't understand why the code works. You'll just copy and paste without truly understanding what you're doing. Programming is not about memorizing syntax. It's about thinking logically. You need to develop the ability to break down problems and solve them in a logical way. If your fundamentals are weak, no framework or advanced technology will be able to help you. Understand the logic behind the code. Write your own code. Practice by building small programs, even if they are simple. I see this same pattern all the time. In the first year of their studies, programming is not that important. I'll focus on the other stuff first. So, what should you do instead? In your early stages, focus only on the fundamentals. Let's make it simple. Pick one language to focus on. C, Java, JavaScript. It doesn't matter as much which one, but commit to learning it deeply. Then, in their final year, I have no time. I need to learn everything in a rush, and that rush creates a lot of stress, confusion, and self-doubt. And most importantly, don't rush into frameworks. Master the basics first. Foundations first, speed later. Learning programming without a solid foundation is like trying to build a house without a foundation. It might seem like you're moving fast at first, but over time, the whole thing will collapse. So, if you're just starting out, don't skip over the fundamentals. Your future self will thank you for the time you spent learning them now. Slow learning today leads to faster growth tomorrow. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe if you want simple, easy to understand explanations about programming and development.